What's going on, everybody? I'm Eric Decker, and today I will be showing you what we use and how we set up our studio here at Flint Steel Studios. Now, by no means do you need all of this equipment in your studio. You know, natural lighting and an onboard microphone work just fine, but for what we're doing, for professional commercial use, this is a great little DIY setup right here. Now, one of the most important things, if not the most important tool we're using here, is lighting. We're currently using 5 different studio lights to achieve a perfectly lit subject. So we actually have a Westcott LED over here and a Westcott LED over here. They're bicolor LED panels. Then we have 2 additional Westcott 750s in the back. And then up front here, we have a big eSmart, very basic crane light. In the soft boxes, we have 3200 Kelvin, 500 watt bulbs in all 3. And then these over here are also set to 3200 on the LED panel. Again, they're interchangeable as far as temperature goes. For our background, we're using an eMart backdrop. It's super cheap, it's from Amazon. We use this to keep a plain and neutral background. We can also use something like a green screen if we'd like to. It came with all of it. The link will be in the bio. The incredibly clean audio that you're hearing right now is coming from the Senheiser ME66 mounted right above me here. We've got a newer heavy duty stand holding it up. And this is located just outside the frame above my head to get that super clear audio. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Eric, how are you so well spoken? And why do you have such good eye contact? I don't. I'm actually using the Glide Gear teleprompter right now. It's really easy. All you do is take an iPad and you slip it into the bottom. You can use almost any device and it mirrors it back at you so you can read your words like I'm doing right now, and it seems like you have really good communication skills. For audio, again, we're using the Senheiser, but we're also using the Senheiser wireless system here between the mic and the camera. We're using Canon lenses right now. We're actually using a 35 prime 1.4 version 2 along with a Metabones version 6 adapter. Moving down from there, we have the Manfrotto 504 video head, and then we also are using the Manfrotto 190 carbon fiber Go tripod. I know that's a lot of gear, but this is all available in the link below. You can see it all on Amazon. You'll be good to go. We have the room painted this really neutral gray color. It kind of allows light to bounce off. It doesn't take light in, it doesn't push light out, it doesn't reflect anything. It's just a very neutral color. This is not necessary, but it's something that does help a little bit. I really cannot say enough about this eMart backdrop we're using right here. Super cheap, it's like $80 on Amazon, and I think it comes with 3 different interchangeable colors. Also, this steamer right here is a lifesaver when you get a packaged piece of cloth like this. The steamer is gonna make it really easy for you to get a really flat, clean look on this backdrop instead of having those little squares where you can see that it's clearly been shipped from China. Also, it's just like a really nice exfoliator. To summarize it, guys, you need 3 things. It's going to be a good backdrop, some good audio, and some great lighting. You can find us at flintsteelstudios.com for video production. We'll be doing more of these videos right here. You can find me personally, Eric, on Instagram and on Facebook as well. See you guys next week.